So this is the last Wednesday too of 2020, and really at its core, it is simply a thank you message. Um, this was a year which started with a certain set of expectations and ended with a very different ones, but nonetheless, it's been a year where the community's grown from 11,000 to nearly 20,000, where some of the world's most incredible marketers have spoken with us, but more importantly, we've been blessed to be surrounded by some of the most lovely people in the entire world. So really, I just wanted to say thank you for this year. I remember when COVID struck and we had to cancel all our events. It was a time of fear. It was a time of high anxiety, and even though parts of that have been carried throughout the course of this year, then the rest of the time has been interspersed with joy, togetherness, feeling like we're part of something, and unity around kindness and love. While this is the last Wednesday or two at the year, it is not the last you'll hear of us for the rest of the year. There is so much going on. We've got 2 more webinars left. So we had to cancel one of the webinars yesterday. So we're going to compact our webinar schedule, which will now finish on December the 15th. So there's 2 webinars left, both starting Tuesday at 8:30 British time. We're also launching our rebrand on December the 15th. And hopefully, although you can't hold me to this, we'll be also launching season 3 of the webinar schedule, which will be unreal. We'll also be sharing more details on the Marketing Meetup membership, which will be starting hopefully again in January 2021, which is unreal and has been an awful lot of work in the background behind the scenes. So hopefully that's something that you can all get really excited for too. So I just wanted to close out with the final thing, which is, again, a massive thank you. It's not lost on me how special all of this is, and how none of it would exist, would matter without the contributions of this amazing community. I feel so lucky to sit at the middle of it, and it's an eternal joy to play a small part in it. So thank you once again. Do join us for the webinars in a couple of weeks. Keep checking out the rebrand and the membership coming up. But on a one-to-one basis, then, thank you for being part of this. And I just hope you have a massively well-earned rest over this Christmas break. It's been a hell of a year, but we've come out of it, and let's look forward to a big, happy, healthy, fun, positive 2021. I love you all. Thank you. See you later.